Promoting manufacturing. President Buhari assures man of free access to forex. Federal government don promise to take measures to make better the access of foreign exchange for the importation of raw materials and machines wey no dey locally.
Our nation owes you all a debt of gratitude for your show of commitment, the level of confidence reposed in the economy demonstrated by the expansion of your respective investments in the Nigerian economy despite daunting challenges.
Buhari expressed his strong support of the nation's manufacturers, amongst others, the formulation and implementation of the nation's policies, employment generation, and wealth creation.
I would like to assure you that, like we have done in the recent past, we will give consideration to some of the constraints that are yet to be fully addressed, especially those that align with our policies and programs for economic recovery and sustainable development. Let me assure you that this administration is fully aware that the survival of Nigeria lies in agriculture and having a viable domestic manufacturing sector. Specifically, Nigeria will take appropriate measure to improve access to forex for importation of raw materials and machines that are not available locally.
Presido still show im belief say a strong manufacturing sector not go only create more jobs and wealth for the people, but also bring sustainable economic prosperity.
Our strategic plan to boost manufacturing activities in the country is on course. We are vigorously pursuing reforms on ease of doing business and currently putting in place necessary policy measures and incentives that will guarantee full recovery from the consequences of coronavirus, sustain economic development, and further shield the economy from the potential impact of fluctuations in the price of crude oil in the global market.
He can tell man to encourage manufacturers to continue to support government to attract foreign and domestic investment to uplift Nigeria economy. The Presido of Man, Mansur Ahmed, thanked Buhari for all the support wey he don give manufacturers since he enter power. Can use the opportunity to ask make federal government look into overcoming the banning constraints to competitive manufacturing for Nigeria.
The Manufacturers Association of Nigeria is full of expectations that government will continue to make manufacturing a centerpiece of its economic agenda. I have no doubt that with your kind support, we shall continue to accelerate the building of a resilient manufacturing sector in Nigeria in the best interest of our economy and our people.
Man can present their new logo and annual report to Buhari. From State House, Osarigwe Monday, for TMC News.